Hi, today we are going to start making Valentines. Our objective, I can design an ornate Valentine card of a silly saying because we're learning about ornate illustrations, and illustrating silly sayings is fun. And we'll know we did it when your Valentine design illustrates a pun and is ornate. It is neatly and completely colored. Here's an example of an illustration from our illuminated manuscript when we were learning about Islamic art. Illustrations are pictures that tell stories. Pause the video and talk with someone about how this illuminated manuscript is ornate or highly decorative, and what story does this illustration tell? Why are we designing our Valentines so early? Well, we have a Valentine's contest, and the winner gets their Valentine printed and sold for the school. You cannot do the same thing you did last year. Past 4th grade winners, think to yourself and share with somebody what are some things that make these examples winners as opposed to maybe some of the others that didn't win the contest. Some of the things I thought of, they're neatly and completely colored, lots of designs, they're highly ornate. You can see lots of different types of lines and patterns, and they tell silly stories. So I'm going to pause and tell you I love you. The world will end without you. You are my true love. You're going to create an ornate Valentine illustration using a pun. Here are some examples. You're going to create 2 rough drafts and then choose your favorite. A rough draft of an artwork is like a sketch of it, just like if you do a rough draft of a paper or something else that you're writing. And then you choose your favorite to make your Valentine ornate, very decorative. You're going to use crayon, marker, or colored pencil to color your Valentine, and it's going to be neat and complete coloring. Some different ideas that you can draw, but you can come up with your own, are listed here. Animals in love, something silly, video game characters, a landscape, sweet illustration, friends, kindness, examples of puns that you could use. You're the mac to my cheese, your tweet, oh dear, you're perfect, be mine. It can be in any language, but I will check it for school appropriateness. Then you'll create your Valentine, draw with pencil, then use markers and colored pencils to color. Here are some of the examples again. Your Valentine illustrates a pun or silly saying, is ornate, is neatly and completely colored with any materials you want. And record a video for a blue grade. Make sure that you have a well-lit and in-focus picture. If you want to enter the design contest or the Valentine contest, you can bring your Valentine to school when you come back in later this month.